guys, in case you're new, it's Lily and Noelle, and today I'm here with my dad. He's driving. But anyways, we are on the way to Best Buy, I think, right? Yes. We're going to Best Buy to get my new camera. Oh, why am I? Okay. We're going to get my new camera, and yeah, so I'm excited. It is a Canon camera, but I am unboxing in this video. That's what I'm doing. It's kind of a vlog, but it's also unboxing the camera. So yeah. I will see you guys in just a minute. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Doing good.
You doing a curbside pickup?
Yes. We can't come in to pick it up, right?
No, it's all done curbside. So go into your confirmation email, and there's a little yellow box in there that says view curbside instructions.
Camera?
Yeah, unless you got ice cream cones.
Fair enough. You might have to scoot over a little bit. Just good.
We will. Thank
No
you.
problem. You have a good one.
Okay guys, so obviously we have the camera now. I hope this isn't gonna fall. Is it gonna fall?
I'm going to park over here.
Okay, so we got the goods, and here's the bag. It doesn't even say Best Buy on the bag. So we're getting ice cream at Brewster's. Is that how you say it? The wind just made the door move.
Ice cream in a cup.
Two scoop?
Sure.
Alright, give me a second.
You talked me into it.
Guys, it smells so good. Like, I don't know. I was about to say I could eat the whole store, but probably not. We're having dinner when we get home, so it's okay. I'll still be hungry. It's so cold. The wind is up to like 35 miles per hour today. Okay guys, so I'm going to unbox the camera. So it's a Canon, there's so much information on there. Vixia HFW10. That's what it says. Works with iMovie and Final Cut Pro. It's waterproof, shockproof, long life battery, and if you forget to put a card in it, it has storage on it. So unboxing it for you guys. This is the first time, I promise. So I'm gonna hold it so y'all can see. Okay, so first thing we pull out, I'm guessing this is instructions. So it's got a bunch of instructions, which we probably don't need, but there is the camera that I got. So okay, so I'm gonna show you guys all the boring stuff first and then lead up to the exciting part. So this is a charger, I'm guessing. There's a charger. And oh, I guess this is to close the little thing. Oh, what is this?
It's part of the cable.
Part of a cable. And here's another cord. And another cord. Maybe this one's to charge it. I don't know. We've got a lot of cords, and another thing like that. So now I'm going to put all that back, and then we're going to get the camera. Okay. Now the camera comes in this protective thing. This look the same as the other one.
Same brand.
Okay, oh, and we've got one in here. So that means I can record now. It looks like, how do I turn it on? Is there not an on button? Maybe you just press record. So you do this. Does it flip up? Ooh,
And it's touchscreen.
oh. See, this would be hard to vlog in public because this is so obvious. You know? I feel like it would be obvious. That's my thing with this. How do you turn it on? Oh, maybe it's not charged. Do you think it comes charged?
Probably has a little bit of charge.
It should have some. Any ventilation openings. Install in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. There's more, but they're long, so we're not reading all those. guys, I'm vlogging on my new camera now. So we'll see how everything looks. I'll show you guys me. Look, here is what the camera looks like. Oh wait, then it's gonna go that way. And then you can see this flip screen. It flips, so I can have it like this if I'm showing something in front of me, or I can have it like this if I'm trying to show myself. Okay, and then yeah, so there's everything. So yeah, this lighting is kind of weird, but this camera's cool. Oh look, it looks pretty up there. So yeah, I think I like this. It's so close up. Oh, let's try to use the zoom thing. It's zooming. Okay, so this is the most zoomed in it goes. So that's 40 times. Now it's back to 1.0. And look at that, now it's 606 instead of 605. So yeah, y'all can see I think y'all can see the date and time on here. I don't know if it's showing up. Don't really know much yet, but we'll figure it out. Maybe, possibly, sometime. So yeah, keep you guys updated. And it's bright. I'm not trying to squint at y'all. The sun is in my eyes. Okay, I did it like that now. So yeah, back to, well, go to future me then. Let's go to future me. Hey guys, it is bright, but I'm trying to do this to see if the audio sounds better when the camera is still. It's pretty much still. It's moving a little since we're driving, but yeah. So I'm excited to have a camera again, and yeah, because in case y'all did not watch my What I Got for Christmas video, I'll put it right here. So go check that out. Also, I will link it down below if you would rather finish this video first, which I would love if you did that, but you should watch both. There is a What I Got for Christmas Part 1, which is all the stuff from my mom's family, like her side of the family, and then What I Got for Christmas Part 2 is for my dad's side. But check those out. And the camera I got for Christmas was in Part 2, and basically that camera, excuse me, something just happened. Like, I don't know. It's like, I mean, I know, but like, it wasn't my fault, apparently. I don't really know. Like, it would stay on the screen that was coming on. Like, if you tried to turn it on, it would stay on the same screen, and it wouldn't like go to the screen where you could record or anything. It would just stay on it, so it broke. But yeah, I'm still learning everything about this, but let's try to zoom in and see how this. Oh, that is lovely. Wait, now it's recording. Say hi, Belle. Say hi, Kate. Okay. So I still have to finish my school, but I want James to see the camera, so let's go show him. Paul!
Father!
Can you say hi? What did it do before?
Flamed up.
Oh! So, quick haul before I finish. So, Heather's parents gave me some stuff for Easter, so I'm going to show you guys. Open this. Let me see. See? Oh, look, you can. Let me scoot back. Okay. So, I'm going to put everything back. So, first thing are these Care Bear joggers. They're cozy knit sleeve joggers, extra small. And they're from Walmart, and they're so soft, and they're cute. We actually used to call my cousin Care Bear. Anyways, and then these Lifesaver gummies, which are good. And then this little thing that says "Smile, Jesus loves you." And then 2 Hershey's. I'm excited about the pants. Might wear them tonight. We'll see. So yeah. Oh, and here is the basket. So yeah, I'm gonna go do my school. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. This footage is being filmed with my new camera, so tell me how it looks. And yeah. Also, I will see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And see you guys next time. Peace.